What's up, YouTube? It's your guys, the Hot Hotwires, back at it again with a banger.
We hope you enjoy our video on free fall and gravity.
So, when I say 3, 2, 1, go, you're just going to release the cup.
This demonstration is really easy to make. To start, you'll have to cut off the bottom of a plastic water bottle and put a screw in the lid. You'll need to tie a rubber band to a Lego ball caster so that the length of the rubber band, when not stretched, leaves the ball caster just in the cup. When you hold the cup vertically, the ball caster sticks out because of the gravity acting on it that stretches the rubber band. When you drop the cup, the ball caster will experience zero gravity because of free fall, and the stretch of the rubber band will disappear and the ball caster will go back into the cup. You can also build this demonstration using a regular cup.
Let's say I have a ball and let's say this is the ground, this is me, and I drop a ball from here, okay? So the ball will fall like this because of gravity. Alright? Now if we assume that the ball was a spacecraft and you were sitting inside the ball, then while the ball is falling, inside the ball you will feel weightless, even though you are on Earth. Okay? And this is something we saw from that experiment. Now I have a question for you guys. Instead of dropping the ball straight down, if I throw the ball in this direction, completely parallel to the ground, okay? Can one of you draw a dotted line to show the trajectory of the ball? Excellent. Okay, so the ball will go a little forward and fall like that, right? If I throw it with even more force, it will fall like this, right? Now I have another question for you. Suppose magically I had 3 hands, alright? And I was able to drop one ball, throw this ball, and throw this ball, all 3 at the same time. Okay? Which ball will hit the ground first? Revan?
The one that goes straight down.
That's your answer, okay?
Yeah.
Anyone else have a different answer? Deepa, do you have a different answer? Tell me.
All 3 will hit at the same time.
All 3 will hit at the same time. Do you know why? Because the gravity is pulling all of them down with the same force, which is causing all 3 balls to accelerate in this direction at 9.8 meters per second squared. Okay? This is the acceleration due to gravity. What is the initial speed of the ball when I just release it? Zero. After 1 second, if there is no air resistance, the speed of the ball will be 9.8 meters per second. Okay? This means that the speed is changing, or the speed is increasing at the rate of 9.8 meters per second every second. Okay? Per second. So that's how you get this expression. Now the increase in speed is called acceleration, and it's being caused by gravity. The reason they'll all hit at the same time is that when I throw them completely parallel to the surface, I'm giving it an initial speed in this direction, right? The initial speed in the downward direction is still 0, and they will all move towards the ground at the same rate and will hit the ground at the same time. So now I'm going to make it a little more interesting. Now I'm going to do some little bit of an exaggeration. Let's say this is the Earth. Okay? and I'm standing here and I throw the ball in this direction, completely parallel to the surface. Now based on Soham's drawing, the ball will go something like this, fall here, right? Does it make sense? If I throw it even harder, it will go like this. What will happen if I keep increasing the speed at which I throw it?
It will if you go like really hard, it will eventually go straight back to you.
Hit you. Excellent answer. I am giving it a certain initial velocity in this direction. The earth is trying to pull the ball, which is pulling it in this direction, right? But if I throw it really hard, the ball can go like this, right? And then the earth is still trying to pull it, but it's moving so fast, before it hits the earth, it kind of misses it. So it follows a path like this. Now at this point, it has the initial velocity which is parallel to the earth, because I threw it really hard. Okay? It has a, and assume there's no air resistance to slow it down, right? But the earth is trying to pull it in this direction. It has a very high speed in this direction. It's trying to fall, but it keeps missing the earth. Okay? So Anuj was right. If I throw it really hard, after a long time, if I don't move, it will hit me back on the head from the other side. Ouch! Yeah. In order to make it cross the earth, I'll have to throw it really hard at a very high speed. Okay? And it will be a big ouch when it hits me.
You better move your head right.
Brain damage.
What I showed you is true only if there is no air resistance, right? Otherwise the air will slow the ball down and it will eventually fall. So now let's see, this is the earth. The radius of the earth is 6,400 kilometers, okay?
Okay.
Alright. Now, do you know the International Space Station? My bad drawing of ISS. Do you know how high?
It's pretty good actually, right?
It's actually pretty good.
Okay. Does someone know how high International Space Station is? The distance changes slightly, 400 kilometers.
No.
Okay. So guys, pay attention. The radius of the Earth is 6,400 kilometers. Relative to this, the ISS is only 400 kilometers. It's a very short distance. Do you really think it's so far in the space that there's no gravity? It doesn't experience any gravity?
Yeah. Otherwise, it would be flying and eventually into a black hole, or burn up in the sun, or Jupiter's red spot.
Depends on which direction it
The possibilities are countless.
So this, what happens on the International Space Station is pretty much the same thing that happens to that ball. Okay? International Space Station is very close to the Earth. At this height, you experience 90% of the gravity that you experience on the surface of the Earth. The reason it doesn't fall on the Earth, or the reason that the astronauts feel weightless on ISS, is because it's always falling on the Earth. It's all just like the ball, but it's moving at about 28,000 kilometers per hour. It's moving so fast in this direction that every time it tries to fall on the Earth, it keeps missing. Okay, and it keeps going round and round. And the speed is important because at this height, it has to move at the speed. So the reason astronauts are weightless on the International Space Station is not that there's no gravity at 400 kilometers. They feel weightless, they don't feel the gravity because they're always falling, just like this guy.
Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Please slam a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell as hard as you can.